Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you something new, which we really get a couple of requests. We told you that if you need us to do one tutorial about something, please leave a comment and ask us to do for you that tutorial. We're gonna do it, then we're gonna also contact you after doing that tutorial. So today we're going to learn how to send emails to groups. So this simply means we want to save time, whereby if I want to send emails to maybe 500 people, I have to get time to create those groups. So maybe each group does not need to receive that email, and what I have to do is I have to filter those guys, the one I want to send to. So first of all, we made a video, a tutorial on how to create those groups. So I'm gonna put it in the description below, and also I'm gonna put it on the end screen, and also I'm gonna put it on the on those cards, so you're gonna see it popping up. So if you don't know how to do that, also you're gonna learn how to do that in the video which we made previously. So we could not, you cannot send an email to a group before you have created a group, and also you cannot create a group before you create contacts. So we in the previous video we show how to create both of those things. So firstly we created contacts, then after creating contacts, then we did go and create our groups. So now after creating groups, so then we are on the video which is gonna show you how to send to each and every group. So you can even exclude people from the group and send to a group, but you say specific people, you don't want them to receive this message from the group. So you send everybody in the group, but then you exclude some of the people. Maybe you might find it's not relevant to send to them, or they already have the message or know about it, or you don't want them to know. That's the reason why we can exclude those people. All those features are on that. And if you delete or remove a person from the group, no, I mean if you exclude that person from your message you're sending, it doesn't mean that person is going to be removed from the group. So it simply means that person is not going to receive that message only, but it's going to remain in the group you selected, unless if you want to exclude that person from the group and maybe put him on another group in case you made a mistake on that. So now let's go and show you how to do that. First of all, we have to click on compose. On compose, then we're gonna say online. So I have group called online connections. If I click there, you can see that there are 3 members in that. Also I can, if I exclude this person and I compose my message and I say, hi, this is, I'm gonna say this is a reminder. Okay, once we say this is a reminder, then this is gonna be fine. Okay, then you start typing your message. Hi, we are reminding you, or whatever you want to write in this message. You write nicely your message. Then after writing the message, then you do what you're going to send. But now remember, we did exclude one person. So once you send your message, you see if the person is excluded. Let's make sure we show you what's going on here. You go to contacts and also you click on online. You can see, if you click on that group, you can see all the people who are in that group, and one of the person we excluded in the sending, it doesn't mean we did delete that person from this group. No, the person is still there. So you can see we have another group. There is also 2 people in here. unless if you want to exclude this person, you would just do this and just untick that. So if you go back to contacts and also come back here, the guy is gone, he's not here in this group anymore. So if you want to bring that person back also, then you can click here and see this person is in a group, this one is not a group. If you don't remember the name, you click here and this one is not in a group, so bring him in this group, or you put him in a different group. I put this person in a different group. Okay, that's fine. Then we can see, like you see workmates, now there are 3 people, and connections, there are what, online connections, there are 2 people. So we know that these are our groups. So if you want to learn how to create a group, it's a simple process. You're gonna watch the video, which we're gonna put in the description below, also which we put in the description below already. So also you're gonna see the pop-ups, you're gonna see the pop-ups about that video. Then you're gonna learn how to create those groups or a group. So also in that video we show how to create contacts. After then you add the contacts to the groups. So now you saw also how you can delete that person from the group, or you can also edit that person's information. You get me? You can see here, you can change, maybe you misspelled the name or the email address. You come here and say, instead of saying home, maybe you can say online, whatever you want to. But so but also Gmail, they have their own default stuff. So you can say fax if you want to, or if you can say, maybe you can say mobile. If you're done with mobile, then you do that. Okay, you can see, oh okay, this is my car dealership contacts. Okay, if you're fine with that, then you can do what, you can proceed and save. So now, okay, this contact is saved. Same applies to any other contact in here, contacts in here. You can just also edit if you want to edit them. And also, no, this is the thing I was editing. You can go to this okay, you put a description to remember this person. Then say maybe this guy we met at the conference. In Japan, Tokyo. Okay, so whenever I go to this contact, you know, even if 5-6 years pass, you know that this is the person you met in Japan. So you save that. After saving that, hi, this is a reminder, interactions. Okay, this is what we're trying to, this is the message we sent. Anyway, any message you're gonna send to these contacts, they're gonna be displayed here. You remember that message, the one we're trying to send. When you click on it, it's gonna give you all the information, all the details of what we try to send. Took us to that email, but anyway, it's okay. You close this. After closing that, then you can go back here and proceed with your email. Type your email in here. After typing your email, then you're gonna send your email. Sweep. Once you click this, you just know that you sent to this email, to the groups, to the group or groups. You can also select that other group, like you want to send to you see the workmates, you can do that. Also, what you can do, you would like also to maybe send to group, to not send the groups like to be the primary receive of the email. You can just type an email like this person then you CC those groups. Okay, I wanna CC to the group, you can CC to the group like that. I'm sending the email to a primary email to someone, then this one is gonna be like I'm CCing to the group or to the groups. Yeah guys, that's it. That's how you send emails to the group in all groups in Gmail. But you have to know that you have to create your groups and contacts before you do that. As I said, look into the description below. You're gonna find that video, and also you're gonna see how we made it, how we created those contacts, so that you know how to do it. But if you have them already, there's no need to watch that video. Just you have learned how to send groups, email in groups. Thanks a lot guys. This is the end of our tutorial. See you in the next video, but don't please forget to subscribe.